Start.
Welcome to mathematics classes. Today we are going to study complex number in polar form. Okay. For that we take a review for the recap. What is complex number? So there is a complex number. We know that the square of every real number is positive. So if we solve x square plus 1 equals 0, then we get x square equal to negative. This x square equal to minus 1 is not real number because square of each real number is positive. So from here we get another unique number which is known as iota, called unit imaginary number. Unit imaginary number. Okay. So x equal to plus minus iota. The story of the complex number starts from this imaginary number. And we start from here complex number. Okay. Complex number basically represented by small z and defined as a plus iota b, where a and b are real number and iota is the imaginary unit number. Okay, we have to plot this number and study in polar form. For studying polar form, we write it as order pair a comma b and plot on argent plane or complex plane. Complex plane is our x, real axis, and iota y, imaginary axis. This is the origin. A complex number z is plotted here, and we put here from origin. This denotes r, and here we put plot. This is f, a, and this is b. Z equal to a comma b. So from here this angle is theta. Theta is argument or amplitude. Theta is argument or amplitude. And r is equal to mod z, and from here we get r equal to mod z, magnitude or modulus. Magnitude or modulus. Okay. So from here we get a equal to cos theta equal to, we take cos theta equal to a by r. So a equal to r cos theta, and b equal to sin theta equal to v by r. This implies we get b equal to r sin theta. Okay. So from here we proceed it, then we will get r a square plus b square equal to r square sin square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. So a square plus b square equals to r square cos square theta plus sin square theta, which is equal to 1. So a square plus b square equal to r square into 1. This implies r square equal to a square plus b square and r equal to root a square plus b square. Okay. So mod z equal to r a square plus b square. Magnitude never be negative, so it is always positive. And argument tan theta equal to tan theta equal to r sin theta upon r cos theta. Basically tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta means r multiply and divide by r sin theta upon r cos theta. So r sin theta is b. We put it tan theta equal to b by a, theta equal to tan inverse b by a. Okay. And from here we write theta equal to tan inverse imaginary part of z upon real part of z, that is argument. So writing complex number in polar form, we write in trigonometry, is also known as trigonometric form. So we write from here z equals to r cos theta, z equal to a plus ib plus I into r sin theta. So z equals to r take common cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Theta depends on the coordinate in which order pair z equal to a comma b belongs. Okay. And theta lie between open interval theta lie between 0 to pi, sorry, minus pi to pi, depending on the quadrant. If theta is in fourth quadrant, then we go clockwise direction, fourth, third, and first third, then we go anti-clockwise from here to here pi and here. Okay? So this is the polar form for complex number. Let us take one example for this. So we are going to write polar form for question. Polar form for the question z equals to 1 minus 1 plus root 3 iota. Okay, here we write it in order pair form 1 comma root 3, which is in first quadrant, first quadrant, and mod z equal to r equal to under root 1 square plus root 3 square equals to 1 plus 3, that is 4 equal to 2, and argument theta equal to tan inverse imaginary part of z upon real part of z. Okay, so tan inverse root 3 upon 1 equal to tan inverse root 3. What is the value? For what angle tan theta equal to root 3? So this is the theta equal to 60 degree or pi by 3 or 60 degree. So you will write this as a polar form. Z equals to 2 cos pi by 3 plus iota sin pi by 3. Thank you for today's lecture.